No bites in late autumn. 2 easy tricks to find fish fast. Hey anglers, late autumn is here and fishing can be tricky. Even if the weather is stable and the water is cool, you might spend half a day with no bites. Don't you worry, this doesn't always mean there are no fish. Today, I'll share 4 common situations and how to fix them. No bites. In late autumn, fish are still actively feeding to prepare for winter. If you get no bites at all, it usually means weather or water conditions are affecting fish activity. Avoid windy days and large temperature swings. This when the weather is stable, water is calm, and oxygen levels are good. Strong west winds are generally bad for bites, and sudden water level drops can also stop fish from feeding. Are no fish at the spot? Sometimes there really isn't enough fish at your chosen spot. Choose spots with natural shelter from wind or follow the wind direction. Look for classic fish paths like bends, bays, and shallow deep transitions. Adjust your casting distance based on wind strength. Fish deeper and farther when it is windy, and shallower when calm. Sun. Fish are there, but not biting. You might see fish activity, but they won't take your bait. Possible causes. Wrong bait. Late autumn fish prefer high-protein, strong-smelling bait. Adding a bit of fishy or shrimp flavor helps attract them. Incorrect rig size. Big rigs for large fish might scare smaller species, like crucian carp. Adjust the hook and bait size for the target fish. 4 bites, but no catch. Sometimes you get bites, but the fish doesn't get hooked properly. Common issues. Float setup for bottom feeders. Use sinker on bottom rigs with no slack. This reduces missed bites and ensures proper hook set. Hook quality. Don't skim on hooks. Cheap hooks can cause fish to escape. Float chose long rods with small 7-star floats work well in shallow water but may underperform in deep water. Quick fix. Increase the float size and add a small switch shot on the line. This adds weight, improves float stability in deeper spots, and prevents swing from pushing your line off target. So remember, no bites doesn't always mean no fish. By choosing the right spot, adjusting bait and rigs, and using the right float setup, you can turn a slow day into a successful catch. I am a fishing enthusiast sharing tips for wild fishing. Like, save, and subscribe to get more seasonal tricks and strategies for every fishing trip.